Bam. Alright. Yeah, let's see if that's about right. It's Elliot at Farro's Lead Farm. So for today's video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this little guy here. So it's the Sig P365XL. Alright. You know me. I don't like to make super ass long boring videos where I'm full of myself. So we're just going to do the facts today. First things first, let's just fucking shoot it.
Yeah, try to shoot that sucker. Shoot!
So we're gonna shoot all this ammunition that I have in front of me here. Which, let me see, hopefully this works out where you guys can kind of tell what's gonna happen. So I have some Hornady American Gunner 115 grain XTP Super Duper Plus P hollow point. Some Sig Elite Performance ammunition, their V Crown. So that's a super ass big hollow point as well. Some MagTech crap, 115 grain. I have S&B 140 grain subsonic ammunition. We'll shoot some of that. Fiocchi 115 grain. This is just their 115 ball ammunition. I have some Aguila 117 grain jacketed hollow point. Kind of a weird one, but we'll shoot it.
See, you got them snakes and sparklers, but where's good stuff, man? Good stuff.
I also have our 147 grain subsonic ammunition and our 124 grain match ammunition. All right, so without further ado, let me see if maybe you can see this go down so you know I'm not lying. So this is just gonna be random as shit. So here's an Elite V Crown, Hornady, a MagTech Full Metal Jacket, S&B subsonic, one of our match rounds here, the Aguila 117 grain. Let's use two of those. Here's the Fiocchi regular. Let's put a couple of those in there. Here's some of our 147 grain Full Metal Jacket subsonic ammo as well. This stuff shoots laser beams, so there's 12 in there. Maybe let's go backwards. Here's a couple of Fiocchi. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's another Hornady. Here's another Hornady. Here's another V Crown, which you're probably going to be using more defense ammunition than anything else. So, hollow point V Crown, hollow point V Crown. Let's see. Some more of that subsonic. If it's going to hook up, maybe it would hook up on a weird subsonic round. And two of those. A couple more of my 124 grain match ammunition here. Okay, there you go. As you can see, 12 rounds pop through the P365XL. All right, let's go shoot it.
Hey.
Yo, it's Elliot at Farro's Lead Farm. Alright, so this is part 2 of our video where I'm going to shoot the Sig Sauer P365XL. Alright, so I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this gun as quickly as possible. So right now it holds 12 rounds, semi-automatic, super concealable, and it has the same sights as the P365. It's optics ready. The main difference here is it's got a flat trigger that's about a pound lighter than the regular 365, but other than that, shoots pretty well. It's fairly accurate. So got my little handy dandy trigger gauge out here. Let's see if you can see this. So put that guy on there, pull it back right at 6 pounds. Do it again, right at 6 pounds, maybe a scooch over. So hopefully that comes out. Like I said, so that's about a pound under my P365, the regular, which by the way fits in the same holster. So check this out. So here's my P365 regular. All right, P365XL, like so. Pretty simple. Regular P365, like so. Okay, so you guys got that going for you. Doesn't stick out that much more. So here's the regular P365 in my holster. Pull that dude out. Put the XL in here. All right. You can see it right there, but I'm fat. That's the way it works. So without further ado, let's do some shooting. So hopefully I can edit it in the first part of the video, in where I loaded it up with all this random ass ammo. So let's try it. Here we go here. First magazine. Same stuff that we loaded up in the video. Ready, Freddy? Let's go. Okay. So locks it back. Shot them all. Life is good. This other one, I have no idea what was in it, but it was the regular hodgepodge like we just took in the video. So, you got me? You got me. Locks it back, shoots up everything. I'm not a super fan of the flat trigger. Some guys are. You get a little different trigger pull where you grab it at, but other than that, in review, pretty easy to conceal. It works. It shoots every ammo you got, and it has good sights. So, and a decent trigger. What else do you need to know? That is all. Sell it.